guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bites. Thanks for the love and support. We are now a 40 member family. Stay till the end of the video, we have giveaways. Samsung on Monday launched its new Galaxy Tab S6 Lite with an in-box S Pen, immersive display and uni-body metal design at a starting price of 27,999. On Tuesday, the internet giant Tencent revealed its future project, a mini city of 320 acres named NetCity, which would give a full work-life campus for employees. It will feature offices, residences, schools, and grass-covered rooftops. Telehealth startup Babylon Health accidentally leaked videos of people's medical consultations to other patients due to a software error, which was fixed later. Xiaomi on Thursday entered the laptop market in India by launching a brand new thin and light Mi notebook featuring the Intel's 10th generation i5 and i7 processors and Nvidia MX250 graphic card for decent gaming. Sony revealed its next-gen gaming console PS5. Sony took on YouTube Live to launch its console, which was held at 1 p.m. PDT, where it launched two versions of the console, one without the CD port that is digital and the other standard one. Adobe launches Photoshop Camera, a free app with tons of elaborate face filters. The app is available on both Android and iOS. Huawei P40 Pro series went on sale globally with Huawei mobile system and ditching out Google, featuring a 6.5-inch OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Go and claim these games on Epic Game Store. Thanks for watching this Tech Bite, guys. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications for more updates on tech.